Hello guys, welcome to intraday trading. We are doing a Nifty series part 3. So we have left here, right? You can draw these lines. It's kind of works as a trend line, and once the trend line breaks, we see some sort of pullback. Now you can say, these things don't work, but I bet you these things work exceptionally well. Only thing that you need to do is you need to take care of your bet size, that is quantity size, how many times you are betting, that is whether 3 trades, 5 trades. See, if I'm doing, if I'm drawing a trend line like this all the time, it may not work. The chances of loss are high. You can take a you can take a short here on the breakdown, but it may not work. It can reverse again. Today is volatility day, right? So देखिए इधर दो रेफरेंस पॉइंट है. This is the lower end, this is the upper end. The moment price is on the upper area, I'm looking for a short. The moment the price is on the lower area, I'm looking for a long trade. Now here are two things. Is there a breakout here? You cannot draw a trend line which looks good, which is fundamentally correct, and look for a breakout. This will not work, right? So you may take a trade. Let's say you may take a trade here, right? See, the price got rejected here. Now if you see this part, there is a slight breakout, but wait for the indication. Do not take a buy. Do not take a buy order like this kind of structures. Wait and see what price is doing next. You can see that price is again coming back, right? It's again a double top and price took a support here, and price is respecting this trend line, right? And it respected this trend line and it went up. Now you can take a breakout order here. What I try to do is, see, shorts बहुत अच्छा काम करता है. आप इंस्टेंट ब्रेकडाउन में शॉर्ट ले लो, काम करने का चांसेस बहुत हाई रहता है. लेकिन ब्रेकआउट ऐसे काम नहीं करता. ब्रेकआउट बहुत कम ऐसा काम करेगा जहां पे आपको तुरंत एक बार में वर्टिकल टेक ऑफ देगा. वर्टिकल टेक ऑफ नहीं देता है. Price again comes back to touch the breakout area. It is called last kiss. This method is known as last kiss. Okay, it comes back to touch the breakout zone. Sometimes for Bank Nifty does not respect that, even though it works like the last kiss works in Bank Nifty as well. But see Nifty, how beautifully it is respecting the trend line. But what Bank Nifty is very volatile, right? It will not respect. It will come down here, and you may think, oh my god, this is a false breakout, and you will close the order here, right? But again, what you see is Bank Nifty will take off from there. So Bank Nifty is a little bit volatile. It is a little bit more complicated. I won't say little bit more. It's a very complicated subject. We'll take some time to cover Bank Nifty later. But first, what I'll try to do is I'll try to show you how you can easily trade on Nifty. So the price gives a breakout here, and you can see how many times the price touched this line. 1, 2. So okay, so 1, 2, 3. 3 times it has touched. So I know most of the cases on 4th time the price takes off, and it is not a fake out. So let's say it's a 4th time, because here it is a touch. 1, 2, 3, and this is a 4th time. It gives a breakout, boom, and see it goes up till the reference point. You didn't book here thinking price will take off, so it gives another chance. But ideally you don't need to wait till the reference point. Always book below, because price can reverse from here as well. There is no guarantee that price will touch the reference point. If it touches, then it's a great short, because you can keep a 20-point stop loss above and see what price is doing, right? on this sideways days. If it's a trending day, it will show that it's a trending day, and depends when is the time that it is giving a breakout. If it is giving a breakout, let's say on the last session around 2 p.m, right, still I would suggest that wait for the breakout candle to complete and then wait for next candle, next 1 minute candle, to see the confirmation whether price stays there or not. What happens in most times is price will give a huge bullish candle and you will see it's a breakout and you will attempt to enter here, but the price will reverse and the fall will be so sharp that will not get time to book, then loss will be huge. So always wait for the second candle to see after breakout whether price is sustaining or price is falling. So these are some lines that I draw mostly apart from reference point trading. Okay, this is support, this is resistance, these are intraday support resistance zones. So price makes a first support, a first resistance and falls here. I don't know that it's a reference point from yesterday. This is the new reference point which is formed today only, and after that this red line continues and I know that resistance is at place. Once the price reaches here, I can immediately short, although my quantity will be less because I have only one point, one logic behind it. Always consider 2-3 logics when you are shorting, right? Either it's a Fibonacci or anything, it can be anything. You need to always consider 2-3 logics. Here I only have you can say 2 logics, that is double top here, and it's a reference point resistance. That's all. I can load up RSI and other things to show you 1 or 2 more logic, but let's not get into indicators. Let's try and focus on price action. So here, and you short with a stop loss of 20 points and you can easily book around this level, right? So you can, if you shorted here, I'm not taking the top, let's say you shorted here, the lower thing 17,600, let's say, and you saw around this pivot zone, this support zone, you cover your short, right? So it's around 17,546. It's a 50 point is good, right? If you are doing 100 quantity, 200 quantity, 50 point is a good one. It's $5,000, and if it's option and you're loading 500 quantities, you'll get a decent amount of profit here. So these trend lines work. You need to remember that you are not going to take all the trades. What I said here, see, it's a breakout here, it's a clear breakout here, but you are not supposed to trade this. It's only 9:45. What if it's a fake breakout? Let market play its game, right? Wait for this to drop. I'll not take a short here because I don't know this is a resistance or what. I'll wait for the market. Of course, I can take a short here because I have a previous logic at play. Whenever previous logics are at play, you can count that whether it is 1 logic or 2 logic or 3 logics. Okay, so I'll try to take a short here. If not, I will definitely take a short here, right? However, I'll wait for the last kiss. If last kiss doesn't happen, I'll take a short around this level, 17,580 to around, let's say, 17,540. It's a 40 point dip. It's fine because I know client trend has not shown anything where it looks like it's a trending day. It's down, up, down, up, again down. So it doesn't look like a trending day at all. And this is only 11 a.m. So I need to be careful. I need to book early. Okay. So 11 a.m. you get your first opportunity. So this is what I wanted to show you on this class. I'll connect again with another concept of how to do longs and shorts in Nifty. Hope you are enjoying. If you are enjoying these short conceptual videos, please do subscribe and like. It will motivate me further to do better videos and show you much more areas in depth. Thank you so much, guys.